So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run it in the background as we complete the next steps in the video. So you can just minimize this. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. So you want to go to the drive that has the Windows logo on it. So for me, it's a C drive. Now once you find out that, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now you want to type in chkdsk space and then the drive that you just found out the letter for. So for me, it's going to be C:, and then put space and then do /F. Click on enter. Now once this comes up, you want to type in Y and click on enter again. And now once you've done that and you completed the sfc scan now command that you did at the start of the video, you just want to restart your computer. But keep on watching the video. So you want to restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as your computer is restarting again, it's going to ask you for disk check-in. Do not press any key. So you want to let disk check-in run. So don't press any key when this comes up. And now it's going to be doing disk check-in. And now once that's been completed, it will take you back into Windows and then the problem will be fixed.